I've got a new style from Raquel Welch. This is flash forward in the color Cinnabar. I'm so excited to tell you about this color and this style. It has just recently launched. She's sassy, she's easy to wear, throw and go. Let's learn about her together. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook. I'm partnering with name brand Wigs to bring you this review they sent me flash forward so I could show all of you and give you the lowdown. And I asked for this color because I've not reviewed this color before, and I know my redheads would love a fun color like this. So we're gonna talk about this style and this color, and I will show this color outside. I timestamp all of the major segments of my reviews, so if you're only here for color, you can skip ahead to that segment. You can find the timestamp below. All you have to do is click on it and it'll take you straight to that section. Name Brand Wigs is an online retailer. They carry all the major name brands, including Raquel Welch. I'll put a link in the description and a coupon code that will save you 30% off this and many of the brands, most of the brands that they carry. I know wigs are expensive, so every little bit helps. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. Not sure what it's looking like back there when I play with it, but you can see we've got a lot of layers back here. It's got a longer nape down here with some flippies and then a lot of layers. I mean, you can really get in here and play with these layers if you own any styling products like Jon Renau Peace Out Cream or Tresillur Wig Wax, and you want to get a little bit of kind of messiness to these layers, you absolutely can do that. If you want a full bang, you can cut a full bang. It's actually already kind of a template for you, and so you just have to trim it up to your forehead measurement so that you're the most comfortable. And I actually have a video, I'm gonna get these bangs out of my eyes now. I have a video showing how to use a thinning razor to trim up bangs. It is foolproof. You do not have to have cutting skills. You don't even have to have a steady hand. It's my favorite tool for making wigs my own. I'll link that video below in case it will be helpful to you either now or in the future. And if you're not a bang person, this does have a full mono top and a lace front, so you can wear this up off your face. So you can play with it to get it kind of up and away from your face. If you want more lift in the front, this is made with heat-friendly fibers, and you can use regular hot tools with it. I like to use a hot comb to get a little bit of more of a cowlick in the front so it stays off of my face. I have a video showing how to do that. I also in that video show you how to pluck a part line, which I'm on the fence about whether or not I would pluck this one. Just if I could get it the fibers to kind of lay side to side, I think it's got enough parting space for my taste. I really like to see a visible part. And I show you how to change a part because this does have a full mono top. So if you want to change that part, right now it's going left to the right, you can change it and have it go right to the left. You can have a center part, whatever you would like, and that video will show you how to do all of those things. Let's take a look inside this cap. Right now, I am just like thinking about all the ways that I would play with this wig and style it up. The layers are so fun, and if you like short hair, or maybe you're kind of wanting to transition to shorter hair, maybe for the winter with high neck shirts or scarves or on hot days in the summer, this length right here is a great stepping stone from longer, maybe shoulder lengths, to something a little shorter but not too short, which I think is awesome. So there's that full mono top. You can part it anywhere within this space, lace front, and they put that seam way back on this piece, which means if in the past you've gotten wigs with a seam between the lace and the mono, and maybe it was further down and you felt like you could see it when you were wearing the wig, this is far enough back that it's not going to be an issue at all. We've got soft ear tabs with bendable stays, really substantial ear tabs, an extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and you see that shininess there? I think this is called their Memory 3 cap. Excuse me, their Memory 3 cap. Got to swallow periodically when you're talking. And that right there can give you a lot of security if you have no bio hair, because that is going to grip to your scalp and make it really secure. I actually don't find much benefit when you've got a little bit of bio hair. It doesn't pull my hair either, but great for having no bio hair. And this cap will eventually conform to your head, which will make it really comfortable. I took my wig grip off because I'm gonna tell you about fit, and I can really assess fit better with a wig grip. I have, and I'm also cinching it in because I do think it is a little loose on my circumference. So yeah, I can cinch this one all the way in, like all the way in. I think I could probably crisscross these adjusters, which I'm gonna do just to demonstrate. So I have a pretty, it's not technically petite, but I would call it average petite. I have a 20, and I'm squeezing these ear tabs right here, which is gonna give it really good security. It's gonna help give me good coverage because it's gonna secure that side, all of that. I have a 21¼ circumference. Average is about 22 inches. And I've cinched this all the way in, and it still feels loose on me. I have a lot of extra cap up here. I could pull this down over my ear on the sides. And while these caps are really soft, really stretchy, and really comfortable, I can wear Raquel Welch wigs, even though they're big on me, with a wig grip, which I had on, and that's gonna keep it 100% secure all day. But also, because they're so soft and stretchy, it's okay if I tuck it up behind my ears. I really don't find that it's pressing on my ears or being uncomfortable. So I definitely think this is gonna fit anywhere from an average petite to an average large. Let's talk about density and Permatease. On the website, they say this is a high density piece. I do think I agree with that. This does have quite a bit of hair. It doesn't have any traditional Permatease though, so we don't have like a ton of lift and volume up here, but because it has a fair amount of hair, if you play with this, if you maybe use some styling products with it, you're gonna be able to get some volume, especially on the sides, but we don't even have Permatease at the crown. It's just really natural on the very top. And so playing with this, maybe using some hot tools, you know, just trying to figure out how you want it to lay, this is actually gonna feel like a really healthy head. And this is made with heat-friendly fibers. Because of the length, do not worry about the heat-friendly fibers. You are not going to need to do any special caretaking of this piece different than a regular synthetic because of the length. It's not getting a ton of friction on your clothing. That's really what makes heat-friendly fibers challenging. I prefer on wigs above shoulder length, heat-friendly fibers all day long, over human hair, over synthetic. I think they feel this, I mean, these fibers feel like human hair to me. They are so natural and they don't have a shine like a regular synthetic wig can have. So I do think the fact that they made this out of heat-friendly fibers will make this wig really realistic for a lot of women. So definitely keep it on your radar if you love styles like this. Let's talk about Cinnabar, RL32/31. This is a red. It's a red, it's a kind of, it has some kind of more muted auburn tones and some vibrant red tones. But this is absolutely a red. It's a dynamic red with a variety of red tones. It is consistent all the way to the top. This one does not have any rooting. It's also, I'm not seeing much in the way of brunette. Maybe sort of the darker auburn leans a little into the brunette, but it's red, very much a red. Very well named. If you love red, maybe you like darker reds. Maybe you'd like a red with, the darker almost looks like low lights. Such a great color for winter, for fall, well, for any time, but if you like to change it up, this could be one. This wig comes in a ton of other colors, and they've got other styles in this color. So definitely don't write this one off if you don't love the red. They've got blondes, they've got brunettes, they've got grays. So go check out the product page and see if they have a color for you. Let's get outside. Thanks again to Name Brand Wigs. Don't forget to look in the description box. See you soon. Okay, I'm afraid I have some clashing colors on, but here you go, this really beautiful red. I'm just getting my outside looks done and didn't really think about how this color might look with a bright pink coat. So pretty. If you like reds, it's a great one. So much more vibrant out in this light than in indoor light. All right, I hope that helped. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.